Good morning, everybody. Welcome to digital class of Vijaypur St. Joseph's English Medium High School. Today I am going to teach you the second language poem of 8th standard. The name of the poem is The Little Busy Bee. This poem is written by Isaac Watts. Look the picture of the poet. Isaac Watts was born on July 17, 1674 and died on November 25, 1748. He had mastered Latin, Greek, Hebrew and French. Here the poet of the poem Little Busy Bee is Isaac Watts. This person took birth on July 17, 1674 and he passed away on November 25, 1748. He had a mastery over these languages, that is Latin, Greek, Hebrew and French. The first hymn book composed by him for children was Horai Lyrica. So here the poet had composed a hymn. Hymn is a book or a poem which is sung in the praise of God. He has composed the hymn book for children and the name of that was Horai Lyrica. His popular hymns are O God, our help in ages past, the Psalms of David, and Jesus shall reign. So these are the names of hymns, famous hymns which he had written. The bee is always busy. You might have seen it. Bee is here, honeybee. Always honeybee is busy. It builds the hive very skillfully. You might have seen even the bee hive in which the bee stores its honey and very skillfully, very cleverly, very intelligently the bee builds the hive and stores sweet honey in it. And in the hive, the bee stores the nectar, which is called sweet honey. Like the bee, we too must be busy and always do useful work. Here, the poet says that human beings also should be like bee. We should also keep ourselves busy and we must do useful work. Now look here in the picture, children. You can see the bee collecting the sweet nectar from the flowers, and even you can see the hive also in which the bee is collecting the nectar. Let me read out the poem first. First stanza of the poem. How doth the little busy bee improve each shining hour and gather honey all the day from every opening flower. In the first stanza, the poet says that how doth means here Old English. The meaning of the word is does. How does, in which way the little busy bee improve each shining hour. The little busy bee every time works and improves in her work and it makes the hour bright and gather honey all the day. The work of the bee is working whole day. Here the work is gathering honey whole day. The bee sits on one flower to the another flower and collect the nectar from every opening flower. Wherever the bees look the opening flower, it sits upon it and collects the honey. So let you be very clear, children. In the first stanza, the poet says that how does the little busy bee improves each shining hour? In which way, how the little busy bee might be working and improving herself in every bright hour, and how she might be gathering honey all the day, in which way she might be searching the flowers and sitting on the opening flower and collecting the nectar. How skillfully she builds herself. When we look at the hive, really we will be shocked to see it because it is so beautiful. So it seems that how cleverly, how intelligently she might be building her cell. Cell is here the small room like holes which we could see on the hive. How neatly she spreads her wax, and very neatly the bee spreads the wax. Wax is here the sticky material. You might have touched and felt the hive. It will be very sticky and labors hard to store it well. And the bees work very hard to store the honey in the cell with the sweet flower she makes. And the bees sits on the opening flowers and she collects the honey from the from the from every flower, and she prepares that food very sweet. Here the sweet food is honey. In work of labor or of skill, it is a hard work as well as it is a clever work. So to collect the honey and to store it in the cells, surely it is a laborious work and it requires skill also. I would be busy too. Here the poet says that not only he, even we ourselves also should be like be, be. We should be also busy like bee. For Saturn finds some mischief still. If we are not busy, Saturn is a devil spirit, bad thoughts, bad ideas, we can say, finds some mischief still. Here, if a person remain still, that is silent or idle, he will do it one or the other kind of mischief. Mischief means here any injury or any damage or any bad activity for idle hands to do. So when a person remains still, when a person becomes idle, surely Satan would force him to do any kind of mischief. So here the poet tells that we should keep ourselves busy the way how the bee will be there. As here we can quote that one of the writer rightly says that an idle mind is a devil's workshop. So here one should learn a lesson from the bee, and we should also try ourselves to be like bee. In books or work or healthful play. So how we can keep ourselves busy like bee? Being a human, we have lot many work. We can keep ourselves in any creative work, or we can read the books. We can do any kind of work such as reading, writing, gardening, dancing, jumping, any kind of work we can do it, or healthful play, or we can play which could be good for our health. We can play any kind of games such as cricket, hockey, indoor games, outdoor games, anything. Let my first year be past. Here, the poet says that let our first years means here early days, our childhood we can say, let our childhood be past, be went away like that, that I may give for every day some good account at last. But make yourself assured that at last we could give it something good to this world, so that with our work we must be identified and we must be remembered. So, just now, the explanation of the poem is over, children. This poem is there for memorization. You can memorize it and at the same time learn a lesson from it, that our life should also be like a bee. So, let me tell you the summary or the gist of the poem. The bee is known for its work. Always it works. As you all know that we identify the bee for its busyness. Always the bee works. So it is identified as a busy bee. So the bee is identified with its work. It builds the hive very skillfully and stores sweet honey in it. As we know that the bees build its hive very cleverly, very intelligently, so that it can store sweet nectar in it, and the sweet nectar is the honey. The poet's intention is, like the bee, we too must be busy and always do useful work. Here, the poet intends us that we should also be like bee, and we should keep ourselves busy, and all the time we should think that we should do useful work which must be useful to us also and to others also. How does the little busy bee work? It makes good use of time. A question may arise in your mind that how, in which way the little busy bee might be working. The answer you get that it makes, that is, the busy bee makes good use of time. She never wastes the time. It starts work when the sun rises, that is, in a shining hour. The bee starts working from the early morning. As soon as the sun rises, the sun shines. By that time, the bee starts working. The worker bee starts its work by collecting honey from all the blooming flowers. As you see that when The sun rises, the flowers blooms, and the bees sits on the flowers and starts collecting the honey from there. All the bees collect nectar and carry it to the hive. As they sit on flower, from one flower to another flower, they starts collecting the nectar, and as they collect, they go and leave it into the hive. The female worker bees are the only bees that make nectar into honey. So here the female worker, they are the bees and their work is to collect the nectar. The bees build their cell very skillfully. As you know that the work of the bees is first to build the hive, that is the cell, very intelligently they build it. Then they spread their wax, a very sticky material you could find it. They spread into the cell neatly and work hard to store honey in the cell. Then they start working very hard to collect the honey and keep it in the cell. The poet speaks about himself and wants us to be like a busy bee in our work. Here, the poet he tells about the hard work of the bee and expects that the readers, as we also must be like bee, we should also work very hard. We should not be tempted to be idle or sit around doing nothing. The poet says that we shouldn't be tempted to be idle. We should not be attracted towards the laziness. We shouldn't love idleness, or we shouldn't sit around doing nothing. We shouldn't waste time just in sitting and doing nothing. Saturn in the poem refers to the devil. Here in the poem, the poet used the word Saturn. Saturn means here the devil or the evil spirit, you can say it, or some evil being who injures the idle person. So when a person sit idles, he will be injured. Means a very a very bad or or unhealthy thoughts appears into the mind of the person. The poet wants to spend his boyhood day by reading good books, playing and doing some good and useful work. So here the poet says that let our early days pass, let our childhood be past, but in the later stage, that is, in the stage of boyhood, we must spend the time reading books, playing, and doing some good and useful work. Every human being could be. Almost all the persons should be like this. That is, they should read the books, they should play, they should do some useful work, busy like bee and do useful work. We must keep ourselves busy like bees. Bees build their hives skillfully. We too should do the work with our efficient skills. So, as when we look at the hive, we will be shocked to see the skill of the bee. Even we should also use our efficiency, whatever we have it, and we must work accordingly. The as poem, as explanation, and even the summary also. I explained it, children. Now look at the new words here. Doth, old form of does. So presently we use the word does, but in Old English In most of the poems, that word is used. Improve. Make good use of. You might have heard this is a very common word. Improve. We have to improve means we have to make good use of it. Shining, bright, gather, collect, skillful, clever, cell, a small compartment in the hive. You might have seen it just now in the figure. I showed you the picture of hive. You could see the small cell is here, a room or a small compartment, small boxes you could see it, children. That is only the hive. Satan, evil spirit or king of devils, mischief, injury or damage, idle, doing nothing.